Welcome to PromptHR Tutorials. In the previous video, you learned how to add an employee directly if you are not using recruitment module. This video is the second part of that video and will show you the process how to move an employee from offer stage to current. If you want to watch first part of this video or want to learn how to add an employee directly, click on the link that is given in the description box. In the last video we added Tarun Khanna's record and he is on offer stage. By using employee form option you can see his record here in the list. Now I show you how to move Tarun Khanna's record from offer to current stage. The steps to follow are fairly straightforward. Log into PromptHR. Switch to your admin role. Choose Triggers from your left-hand side menu, it is the first option. Click on Confirmation Trigger. Click on Salary Confirmation. First we will lock/confirm his salary. This means no further changes are needed in his salary as he agreed to join the company on the offered salary. However, HR admin always has rights to do any modification if needed and software records the history. In the list view, click on the checkbox against the employee name whose salary you want to confirm and save. In our case it is Tarun Khanna. After this his record will move to offer confirmation menu. If you use our rejoining/online onboarding module, then after this step you will have to send offer to candidate on his/her mail. Please see in the description box you will find the video link, how to initiate e-joining. But I am skipping this step here. Now go back and click Offer Confirmation. Now we have to enter his actual join date if it is different from current date. From here you can also change his notice period if required. In the list view, click on the checkbox against the employee name whose joining you want to confirm and save. In our case it is Tarun Khanna. If employee ID staff ID generation process is set to auto, then Tarun Khanna's employee ID will generate automatically in the sequence to last. For example, last created employee ID was EMP345, then his employee ID will be EMP346. After this, employee moves from offer to current status. Now we show how to create employee ID staff ID if employee ID staff ID generation is set to manual. Now go back and click on Generate Staff ID. In the list view, click on the checkbox against the employee name whose employee ID you want to generate. In our case it is Tarun Khanna. Enter his employee ID, for example I am entering EMP346 and save. Now employee moved from offer stage to current. Let's see his record in the employee form menu.